Welcome to today's Tech Roundup. Today we are talking BYOD, or Bring Your Own Device. It's already well documented that more and more users are bringing their own devices to access your network. And whether you are staff or third parties, this brings its own set of problems. They want fast connectivity and you need robust and reliable security. So today Malcolm's going to give us an overview of the Simply Connected portfolio of products. Simply Connected allows users to easily access your corporate network. Malcolm, can you give us a quick overview of the messaging here?
Yeah, the Simply Connected message is essentially Juniper's integration of switching, wireless security and firewall products that encompasses wireless being the primary means of access on most networks nowadays rather than wired. So the wireless access points and controllers allow you to seamlessly integrate this. Junos Pulse, a single client, being used on various types of devices to access the network. Standards-based, which means they can integrate with various types of applications that you have right now, software as a service applications and so on and so forth. And simplifying your wireless network, allowing you to manage the entire wireless network with a single operating system in Junos.
Okay, so Simply Connected brings together your wired and your wireless and your security products under one umbrella. So can you explain to me what happens in a situation? I'm using a device at home to access a network. I want to bring that same device into the office to access the network.
Yeah, sure. I mean, if you're connecting in from the internet to the office, you'd probably connect into your VPN, SL VPN device. There you'll get a host check done on your device for compliance and authentication done. And once that's passed, you'll get role-based access to whatever resources you want to access, say in this case, marketing and sales. If you came into the office, you'd connect up to the wireless network. Because Junos Pulse is installed on your machine and is location aware, it will connect to your UAC device, do another host check that you're compliant, authentication as well, and then also give you role-based access to the same resources that you accessed at home, marketing and sales. And you don't have to do anything because Junos Pulse will do it all for you.
Okay, so that sounds really straightforward. But what happens when I've got a guest who wants to come into the office here and access our internet?
Juniper's products allows you to easily integrate wireless guest access for your users in a very easy and compliant way. So that's no problem at all.
Okay. And finally, what happens in a situation where I've got more than Juniper product? I haven't just got Juniper product on my network. Can you overlay these solutions and products?
Yeah, absolutely. Irrespective of what vendor you have in your switching or security firewall or wireless infrastructure, you can easily interoperate with Juniper's devices because they're standards-based, so they'll work quite easily.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
No problem.
If you'd like to find out more about Simply Connected, we've got a webinar running on Wednesday the 25th of July at 11 o'clock. Check out our website, www.netutils.com, for details of how to register for that webinar, and the recording will be made available afterwards. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you again soon.